crowned queen as a baby, widowed as a teenager, betrayed by those she trusted most, and executed by her own cousin. This is the story of Mary, Queen of Scots, a woman born into power, but destroyed by love, politics, and betrayal. Mary was just 6 days old when she became Queen of Scotland in 1542, after the death of her father, James V of Scotland. Too young to rule, she was sent to France, raised in luxury, educated among royalty, and groomed for power. At just 15, she married the future King of France, Francis II of France, and soon became Queen of France. But her fairy tale didn't last. Within a year, Francis died. Mary was widowed at just 18 and forced to return to a Scotland she barely knew. When Mary returned in 1561, Scotland had changed. The country was now deeply divided by religion. Despite this, Mary ruled with intelligence and diplomacy. At first, but her personal life would soon unravel everything. In 1565, Mary married her cousin, Henry Stuart, Lord Darnley. He was charming, but arrogant, jealous, and unstable. Things took a dark turn when Darnley became consumed with envy, especially of Mary's close friend and secretary, David Rizzio. In 1566, Darnley and a group of nobles brutally murdered Rizzio right in front of Mary while she was pregnant. Just 1 year later, Darnley himself was dead. He was found murdered under suspicious circumstances, his house destroyed by an explosion, and suspicion fell on one man, James Hepburn, Earl of Bothwell. Shockingly, only months after Darnley's death, Mary married Bothwell. To many, it looked like proof of guilt. To others, it looked like coercion, even abduction. Either way, it destroyed her reputation. In 1567, Scottish nobles rose against her. Mary was captured, imprisoned in Loch Leven Castle, and forced to abdicate the throne. Her infant son became king, James VI, and I. Mary escaped captivity, but her army was defeated with nowhere left to turn. She fled to England, seeking protection from her cousin, Elizabeth I, but instead of refuge, she found imprisonment. For nearly 19 years, Mary was held captive. In 1587, Mary was accused of plotting against Elizabeth. Whether guilty or not remains debated, but the outcome was final. Mary, Queen of Scots, was executed. To some, she was a martyr. To others, a reckless queen undone by poor choices. But history remembers her as something more. A woman trapped between power, love, and betrayal. Was Mary a victim of circumstance? Or the architect of her own downfall? History doesn't always give us answers, but it gives us stories worth remembering. Follow for more untold histories that shaped our world.